Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Welcome back to online learning. In previous class, we learned about the term 1. Now we are going to see bridge course concepts. In that, we are going to see place value. Shall we recall and again learn about place value? Are you all ready?
In math, every digit in a number has a place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of the position in the number. Shall we listen the puppets what they are going to say?
Children, take your classwork and homework. Shall we revise place value? Children, look at this. What is this? I will explain to you. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Using this, how we are going to find the place value? Okay, I will explain this. First, we will denote the short form for ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay, shall we see that? Oh, how can we denote that? I will explain to you. Look at here, ones denoted as a O, tens denoted as a T, and hundreds denoted as a H, thousands TH, 10,000 TTH, lakhs denote as a L, and 10 lakh denote as a TL. Okay? Look at here, the place of a digit increased by 10 times as we move left side on the place value chart and decreased by the 10 times as we move right. Okay.
One digit, it has only one number. Two digit, it has ones and tens. Three digit, it has ones, tens and hundreds. Three digit, yes. Four digit, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Five digit, ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Six digit, it has ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Seven digit, it has ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. Look at here, these are the some examples of real life example for digit values. Okay, this you can see clearly how can we define the ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, look at the numbers and prices. Look at the place value chart. There are the columns are there. Okay, ones period. What is in the ones period? There is a ones, tens, hundreds. This makes ones period. Okay, thousands period. What is in the thousands period? Yes, thousands and 10,000s. What is the next one? Lakhs period. What is called lakhs period? Lakhs and 10 lakhs, it forms as a lakhs period. Next one is a crore period. What is called crore period? It has crore and 10 crores. So these are called the place value. Shall we write place value? Write the place value of each digit. 78 lakhs 56,321. Okay. First we have to write each one its place value. Draw the tabular column before and find how many ones, tens, hundred, thousand like this. Then it's easy to find its place value. Okay, so the place value of 1, what is in your, always you have to in that number, look at your right side to left side. So right to left is the, in order we have to find the place value. So what is the first number? 1. 1 into 1 is located in the ones place. So 1 into 1, what you will get? 1. What is the next one? The 2 in tens place value. So in tens there is 10, 2 times 2 into 10, 20. In hundred place there is 3 times hundreds. So 3 into 100, 300. In thousands place 6 times thousands are there. So 6 into 1000, 6000. In 10,000's place 5 times 10,000 makes 50,000. What is the next one? In lakh place 8 times lakhs makes 8 into lakh, 8 lakh. Now what is in the 10 lakh place value? 7. So 7 times 10 lakhs makes 70 lakhs. Okay. Children, we will see the next example. 70 lakhs 56,021. Look at that. There is a 0 in 100 place, again 0 in the lakhs place. How we are going to do this? Okay. So as usual, the 1 and the ones place. So 1 into 1, 1 ones. The place value of 2 in the tens place. So 2 into 10, 20. And the place value of 0 is multiplied by 100. 0 by anything, you will get 0. Okay. So the answer is 0. The place value of 6 is multiplied by 1000. You will get 6000. The place value of 5 is in 5 into 10,000. You will get 50,000. What happened in the lakhs place? There is a 0. So 0 into lakh, you will get 0. So 7 into 10 lakh, you will get 70 lakhs. Or you understand how to write the place value? Where it is located, that number is the place value of that number, given number. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. You have to keep that in your mind and then find the place value. Write the place value of 6 in 67 lakh 89,527. Children, what you have to do first, write the ones, tens, 100, the column. Okay, then place all the numbers. So ones 7, tens 2, hundreds 5, thousands 9, 10,000s 8, lakh 7, 10 lakh 6. Now what is they are asking? They are asking to find 6. So the 6 in the 10 lakh place value. So 6 into 10 lakh, what you will get? Exactly 60 lakh. Okay. Write the place value of 5 in the same number, 67 lakh 89,527. So as usual, you have to write ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh and place all the numbers. Now what they are asking, to find the value of 5. Where is 5? Yes, see, in under the 100 column there is a 5. So 5 in the 100 place value. So 5 times 100 makes 500. Exactly. So the answer is 500. Okay. Children, here is your homework. Take your homework note and complete this. Write the place value of 7 and 1 for the given numbers. So look at the A, 81,70,453. Look at the 7 and write its place value. B1, 3,46,710. So write the 7 is located in which place value. C, the last one, 1,87,13,971. So where is the 7 is located? There is a 2 sevens. So write the 2 sevens, its place value. Okay. Children, we have quizzes, worksheet and your classwork. Finish it and send it in your Google Classroom. Okay. Worksheet have to return in the Google Classroom. Write answer in your classwork. Great job, children.
Children, we are coming end of this session. Okay, children, we are coming end of this session. Finish the quizzes. Return the worksheet in the Google Classroom. Don't forget it. Okay, miss.
Yes, miss.
Until we will see you in the next class. See you. Bye, children. Take care.